The Evenflo Shyft DualRide Combo is an innovative all-in-one solution that seamlessly transitions from a car seat to a stroller, making it incredibly convenient for parents on the go. Designed for infants weighing from 3 pounds to 30 pounds, this versatile combo grows with your child, ensuring long-term usability and value. Safety is a top priority with features like the LockStrong belt tensioning system and quick connectors, providing a secure and swift installation every time. The integrated SensorSafe technology offers peace of mind by alerting parents to potential safety issues such as unsafe temperatures or an unattended child. For added convenience, the combo includes a removable carryall storage bag, washable wheel wells, and a cup holder, making outings with your little one even more manageable. Meeting and exceeding federal safety standards, the Evenflo Shyft DualRide Combo is rigorously tested for structural integrity, rollover performance, and temperature effects, ensuring utmost safety for your child.